Let's do. All
Profit
right,
to
we
next,
have
yes.
Apple Computer up with the MMTs. We've had some senior MMTs shorting this, and we've had new MMTs identifying that ratio gap of positive 0.54 equaled 8.65 teenies equaled $2.93, all the way back down here to 0.13 ratio. So if you sell short here, and as long as you don't close above that number, hey, and it goes down in value, then the name goes down once again. Yeah, you have bounces just like you are now that are failing. It's weak. It's not like yesterday when Apple was staying above 75 and it had our bid and ask ratio and our platform in here equal these movements now. And you can see here where our pricing levels are going up, MMTs, but you can see where the high was as well as to what's there. But right now, we've got weakness in the name. And these things here, if they're going to go from zero and these bid and ask trend ratio, see, you could still come down and break that 0.13, which would mean that there would be another short in here. But we're going to monitor it. Short one, all the way down. How do you let a short know how to let a short go intraday? It's all right in here in these ratios. So you know how to let the winners run on that. So that little pop right there was a long, and the minute that you came up and couldn't go above that teeny, you would have been selling that anyway for Mr. Mayo. The other thing that shorting that ratio resistance all the way down to 0.13, that's your spread. So that was $2.93 in our SMF market maker platform in our system, and you would have had a grand finale of taking that down to where it was only 0.13. That's a big move down. You can see it. 8.65 teenies down to 2.10 teenies was your move on a short up here. Now, your upside is diminishing. Your weakness is here. You're not breaking higher here on your ratio, ascending in value. You're only 0.13 to 0.23. So this has to go, the longer that this got to go up in value, and you'll hold the price levels in here. It's that simple. So we're very weak. When something goes from 0 to 20 to 35 in this number, MMTs, and it gets to 35 and rolls over, that means that you're going to have to sell. The brain tells you when to sell. The MMT platform, market maker platform, tells you when to sell. So you made all your transactions between the public, and there's going to be another big move, but it's weak. And equities aren't like yesterday. The brain is showing you that across the board in your platform that they're weak, and Apple is showing you. So basically, that was a nice short all the way down. We had people come out, but every bounce, you're rolling back over and you're sliding the half bar. See the half bar here? And it will show up. If you hold your cursor over 331.29 and you're 330.73 by 77, so your ratio below that half bar. So, but these are very narrow range with light volume. The timestamp 731. So basically what I am going to do is this. MMTs, what we're going to do, this is a 15-minute chart. And you can see that expansion. I'm going to populate this. There, I hit the yellow button, MMT, look at it. Da, 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 da. Look at that go, look at that IR, boy. Look at it, how it went up to the ceiling, and look at how that breakout happened, MMTs. That was yesterday's runaway gap. Today, MMTs, yesterday is different than today. Today was the sell. Yesterday was the runaway buy at that teeny, never look back. Today, they pop up in your MMT platform here and slide that bid. That's a big 15-minute bar. Right now, we've only been into 1 hour of the opening bell. And what we're going to do is go to a 60-minute chart now. And I'm going to pull that over here, MMTs. And each one of these are $1.36 per line. And he dropped at 1/4 delta. Bam! So you can see clearly on a 60-minute level. You can see on this 15-minute level in your brain. These all stay the same, so you MMTs understand. Nonetheless, nice short. You're falling below. This is a new hourly bar in your platform. and it's breaking that 1/4 delta line, and that's weakness in the name on that 60-minute. The 15-minute is half bar right here. This is the half bar that you're going to want to be interested in. Let's pull up the hood. Let's make sure it's in the video. Let's go to this half bar. There it is right here. That's 330.99 it looks like. Let's make sure. It'll scroll right there. No, it's not. Okay, that's this bar. So that's 330.99. The bid and ask right now is 330.70 by 76. So you're below it. So weakness remains on the 15-minute chart right here, MMTs.